Good morning, everyone. Brian Hoops here with Midwest Market Solutions. This is Market Insider TV. This is our opening commentary on Tuesday. It's December the 3rd. Thanks for joining us this morning as we take a look at some fundamental news of the markets and what we can expect for some direction today. We do this every morning for our clients and subscribers and send them out to you, and hopefully you are receiving those emails. If not, sign up for our YouTube series and you get that notifications when this drops, and other videos posted on YouTube. We posted like 4 or 5 videos yesterday on our YouTube site. And you also follow us on Twitter, Midwest Markets and Brian Hoops. And we have a text message service available on our website. You can see that on your screen there, MidwestMarketSolutions.com. If you want to receive text message information, we will send that out to you as well. Just go to our website and sign up. Pretty quick, pretty easy, and not much information is required. Let's look at overnight markets here. As U.S. dollar in a little bit softer tone, we saw a big rally in the dollar yesterday that capped some of our rallies in the grains and metals markets. And you can see with the dollar being down, you can see gold up $13 this morning. Silver has a nice rebound up 58 points. And in our grain segments, corn's up 2 3/4, beans up almost 11. Meal is up $3, and we're seeing a big rally in Malaysian palm oil spill over into bean oil futures overnight. Meanwhile, wheat is up 8.5 to 9 3/4 cents. So the weakness in the dollar produces a lot of green on the screens in here. A lot of these markets that we're seeing are affected by the lower dollar. Crude oil's up 1.5%. Stock market is up 5 points in the S&Ps. Natural gas down a little bit this morning, but a big drop in the dollar. Well, not, it's a somewhat sizable drop. That has given us a host of buying interest in a lot of these commodities. So let's talk more about markets and what we can expect in today's trading environment. So there's again our website and our Twitter feed, Midwest Markets, Brian Hoops. We'll give you the latest information. We were founded back in 2002. And we have 8 licensed brokers in 5 different office locations around the Midwest. Central Brazil expected to get some scattered rainfall this week, and another front moves across the southern growing regions with heavier rainfall totals later this week. In Argentina, some good rain fell in portions of the drier regions over the weekend. Another front is expected to drop more rain Thursday through Saturday. So there's nothing wrong with our forecast, as the forecast models putting a lot of rain into Argentina and Brazil for at least the next 10 days. There's still time. We can dry things out and then maybe produce a more sizable rally. But for now, we're holding technical support despite these wet forecasts and seeing a bounce off of it. We did see a few more deliveries overnight, but meal deliveries are getting smaller and smaller with each day. December deliveries, 43 contracts of meal, 111 corn, 45 Kansas City wheat, 74 oats, but no oil and no Chicago wheat deliveries. That oats is a little bit larger than it has been the last couple of days. Brazil updated their planting progress numbers. We're now done with soybean planting by 92% complete, 83% last year, and the average was 87. The first corn crop in Brazil is now 97% planted, in line with the year ago levels and the average of 94. I know we talked earlier in the growing season that we were behind, and that gave us a rally in the market, but now we're seeing this improvement in the planting pace, and this is going to eventually weigh on our markets, because we're going to see the crop not only planted ahead of normal, but probably be harvested ahead of normal as well. Census crush report came out yesterday, and the census crush for October was an outstanding number. That's 215.8 million bushels, notably above average market expectations of 210.9, and it's up sharply from September of 186.5. It's higher than last year's crush of 201. And in fact, it's a new all-time record crush sent this last month. So very strong crush numbers there. Not necessarily a surprise to the market, but crush remains very strong. It is going to slow down, as meal futures are forecasting that because of the big crops out of Argentina. We had weekly export inspections yesterday. Compared to last year, corn inspections up 31%. Soybeans are up 16%, and that is actually a marking year high. We were below last year for first part of our marketing year. Now we're up 16%. Wheat inspections are 32% higher than a year ago. These inspections are key because this is product that's actually been inspected and then have left a port and been shipped out. So our sales that we see normally on Thursday mornings are strong, and our inspections are backing it up with the countries actually taking our product. Of course, that fear will be in that February-March timeframe that maybe China cancels a lot of our purchases that they had previously made. This week's Cattle Facts show list, it's up 6,000 head for a total of 220,000 head. So cash trade is called steady, possibly higher this week. Did mention this last night. There was rumors that haven't substantiated these yet, that Tyson plant in Kansas was going to be closing. This will be a beef processing plant that's caused a big drop in the futures yesterday. We are discount in the futures, a discount to that 190 cash that we saw last week. And so we have option expiration Friday, first notice day next Monday, and we'll have to narrow that spread, or we could see some deliveries against the December cattle contract. All right, I'm going to sign off here, but hope you have a wonderful day. Good luck, good trading, and as always, reach out to us. We'll be glad to talk markets with you. This has been Brian Hoops.